Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this video I'll show how to design a Canva thumbnail. So how to make thumbnail in 6 steps. So now I'm just change the language and photo is already here. So how to make YouTube logo, just text is small and move the element and text is big. Okay, how to make YouTube logo in with Canva and delete this component and click uploads and select thumbnail or so guys, I'm just small this subscriber button and logo is here. Okay, just how to make, and these options I'm just added my previous logo. So guys, I'm just click upload and click download and select photo and just upload and select this project. So guys, now whatever, just imagine I have a one background, so how can click transparent, and so guys, how can I remove background image? So click edit photo and the Magic Studio, the remove busy remover. So click and apply these options. So remove background. Okay, I'm just now zoom or here. Okay, now customize this template again and throw left or right, just a small, and with Canva design just you change the sections and move here. Okay, I am just move and this text is big and logo is small. So now ready my YouTube thumbnail. So bye bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye.